Côtelette alla Catanese, a second course that captures the flavors of Sicily. Let's prepare it together. Place the slices of meat between 2 sheets of baking paper. Pound them with a meat tenderizer. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Season with salt and pepper. Beat well and set aside. Peel a clove of garlic and chop it finely. Add it to the breadcrumbs. Chop the parsley. Add the parsley to the breadcrumbs. Mix everything well. Dip the slices of meat in vinegar, then in grated cheese. Next, dip them in the beaten eggs and then in the breadcrumb mixture. Heat the peanut oil in a pan, and when it has reached a temperature of 170 C340F, fry the cutlets for a few minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels and serve with a fresh salad. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.